Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Nissan Rogue Sport. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 65,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.